Hi guys, good evening. Tonight we're gonna cook minced beef with vegetables. So actually just a basic meal this evening.
Basic.
And hopefully I'll get it right. So I'm gonna show you how. So that's the minced beef. Here in the UK, our minced beef are already like pre-packed, so we don't need to wash it. It's up to your own choice if you wanna rinse the meat, but we usually don't. So we just wait until it becomes brown, and then we put the vegetables afterward. Now guys, it's starting to get brown, so I'm gonna put a dash of garlic powder, and ground black pepper, since I only put a bit, but you can put as much as you want when it comes to seasoning. I only use a bit because Tony is quite delicate with spices. So yeah, it actually smells really nice, guys.
Why have you switched that out? Oh, noise. Doesn't matter that.
And then gonna put a bit of Worcestershire sauce, just a dash of Worcestershire sauce. Now Tony's gonna put some onions in it. And continue mixing it. Now I'm gonna carry on with the seasoning, liquid seasoning. And so this should really taste nice. I'll have rice with mine, and Tony's gonna have some either mashed potato with his. It's up to him.
Tony forgot to get
So he might have some rice with it as well. You are.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get that thing? No dear, not yet.
It's got to cook in that.
Yeah. I'll just continue. Make sure you're mixing it. Make sure that the minced is cooked. Our minced here in the UK is different from the minced meat that we have back home.
That's fine as it is now. You could eat that. As soon as you browned it, it's fine, because it's beef.
So now we're gonna put some frozen mixed peppers.
Oh God.
How about the vegetables, honey? Yeah, mixed peppers. We usually use what do you call it? Frozen ones, frozen stuff. So it usually lasts longer than the fresh ones. Fresh ones, of course, is the best, but we prefer frozen ones.
I think that's enough. Not yet.
And now we're gonna put some mixed veg. You can use either fresh veg with it. It's entirely up to you. But since here We prefer using, as I said earlier on,
Fresher.
frozen stuff, frozen veg, peppers and all that,
Yeah, put this in.
because it lasts longer.
And then it will cook in that. And
And just continue mixing it. Once it's all mixed up, then you have to put the gravy in it. Then we'll just
then,
leave
beef
it.
stock.
Then we'll just have to leave it simmering for how long?
20 minutes.
On a low heat, so it don't get burnt out. That's beef stock.
Oh, it's still got, and I stirred it. Yeah. So it'll soon mix in. So that will then cook the vegetables.
Yeah. So we're gonna just simmer it, and
Put the lid on.
we'll put the lid on and simmer it for like 20 minutes. This is it, guys. After 20 minutes, that's what it looks. So this is ready to be switched off. So it's still got some juice in it, but not much. So we're gonna try it now. This is it, guys. This is Tony's portion. So he hasn't got mashed potato, so he's gonna have some rice tonight.